Okay, good morning, girls. Just give me a second. The date for good morning, girls. It is English grade 2 and lesson for today. And the date for today is 4th 6 2021. So our lesson for today is re-controlled vowels. Our lesson today is about re-controlled vowels. The sound of ER, IR, UR, like for example, the ER goes with fern, and UR goes with purse. IR goes with bird and girl. Now let me get a girl to read for me this. Of course, the wheels of names is gonna do just the thing I need. Batul. Okay, Batul. You are gonna read for us here. Let me unmute you, Batul. Batul, read for us here. 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 We controlled vowels. ERIUR page 96 and 97. Now read for me here. And an recontrolled vowel is any vowel followed by R. The R changes the sound. The vowel makes the letters ERIRUR make the same sound. Recontrolled vowels are often called bossy R because the R takes over and makes the vowel make a new sound. The ER, I, and IR and UR all make the same sound. ER as in her, bird and fur. Now here, you already know this one, girls. Okay, give me a second. Now let me show you videos about the recontrolled vowels. Let me go to the YouTube. Give me a second, girls. YouTube. I'm just going to the YouTube. Recontrolled vowels. Here it is. Let me show you this. The sound of air, and of air. This is the sound of burn. Okay, bye, girls.